हल सिटी के जो लेबर पार्टी का सदर है कैरन पाउ, वो भी बाकायदा पाकिस्तानियों के साथ एहतजाज में शामिल हुआ है और उसने कहा है, उसने ये मुतालबा किया है कि इस जज को जिसने इंतहाई गैर मुनसिफाना फैसले किए हैं, उस जज को ये जो ह्यूमन राइट्स की क्लासेस हैं, उन क्लासेस से उनको बाहर किया जाए, क्योंकि वो बंदा ये क्लासेस डिजर्व नहीं करता।
I'm Darren Hale, I'm the leader of Whole Labour Group, and with the General Secretary and the President of the PTI in the UK, who have been at the Hull University protesting at the allowing of a judge that sentenced Imran Khan to give a lecture or to speak on behalf of human rights at Hull University, which is a travesty given that he didn't offer human rights or natural justice to Imran Khan. We stand with the PTI today and we ask the university to send this man back. He has no place, he doesn't represent human rights, and he doesn't represent the Pakistani people of this community, this country, and the wider Hull population, who would not stand by such an affront to democracy.